Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's an absolute game changer for anyone in the garments industry. And that is method development. You might have heard the term, but what does it actually mean, and why is it so crucial for success? Stick around, because we're going to break it all down. So, what exactly is method development? In simple terms, it's the systematic process of finding the most efficient, cost-effective, and quality-focused way to perform a task. In garment manufacturing, this means analyzing every single step of the production process, from pickup to dispose the task or operation. Seams engineers can eliminate wasted movements and streamline the process, and figuring out how to do it better. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And increase your productivity, skill utilization, and resource utilization. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so important? Well, in the fast-paced world of fashion, efficiency is everything. Proper method development directly impacts your production line. It helps reduce production costs, improve product quality, and ensures you can deliver orders on time. In a competitive market, you can't afford to ignore it. It's the secret sauce that separates the good factories from the great ones. Let's walk through the procedure. Method development isn't just a random guess. It's a structured approach. It starts with observation. You need to watch the current process in action. We use tools like time studies to record exactly how long time each part of a job takes. We film operators, we analyze their motions, and we identify every single movement, big or small. This is the select phase, where we choose a specific job to improve. Next, there are some steps to apply method development. First step, we need to select a specific process or task that we develop. Second step, record all the relevant facts about the current method. We document everything: the machine used, the layout of the workstation, the sequence of operations, everything. The goal is to get a crystal clear picture of what's happening right now. We create process charts and diagrams to visualize the workflow. This often reveals hidden inefficiencies you wouldn't notice otherwise. Once we have all that data, now on the third step, we move to the examine stage. This is where the magic happens. We critically question every single detail. Why is it done this way? Is this step necessary? Could it be combined with another operation? Who is the best person to do it? This critical examination helps us challenge old habits and find opportunities for improvement. We're looking for bottlenecks, unnecessary movements, and any form of waste. After a thorough examination, on the fourth step, we enter the develop phase. Here, we brainstorm and design a new, improved method. This could involve changing the workstation layout, introducing a new tool or jig, resequencing the steps, or even automating a part of the process and set up machine RPM based on standard. The new method is designed to be easier, faster, and less tiring for the operator. We often create a prototype of the new setup to test our ideas. Of course, a new method is useless if it just stays on paper. On the fifth step is to install the new method. This involves training the operator on the new procedure. It's crucial to explain the why behind the changes, so they understand the benefits. We provide them with proper training and support to ensure they are comfortable and confident with the new way of working. Finally, install the new method. The last or sixth step is maintain the new standard. We regularly check to make sure the new method is being followed correctly and is delivering the expected results. We monitor performance and gather feedback. This creates a cycle of continuous improvement because there's always room to get even better. It's not a one-time fix, it's an ongoing philosophy. So now you should make a production study. Then you will find out improvement and how to reduce cycle time. Cycle time is the total time it takes to complete one task of a product. By developing better methods, we eliminate wasted motions and non-value-added activities. If we move closer, we save a few seconds each time. Multiply that by thousands of units, and the time savings are massive. Shorter cycle times mean you can produce more garments in the same amount of time. This directly ties into improving productivity. Productivity is all about output versus input. When we reduce the time it takes to make a garment, we're increasing the output without increasing the resources. Let's say an operator was making 100 pieces per hour. With an improved method that saves just 10 seconds per piece, they might now be able to produce 138 pieces. That's a 15% productivity jump just from refining the process. This isn't about making people rush. It's about making their work smoother and more streamlined. Another massive benefit is the best utilization of operator skill. Method development ensures that operators are using their skills on tasks that actually add value to the garment. We design the work so that it's ergonomic and minimizes fatigue. A tired operator is more likely to make mistakes and work slower. By creating a comfortable and efficient workstation, we empower operators to perform at their best all day long. It also helps in placing the right operator on the right job, matching their skills to the task requirements for optimal performance. And let's not forget about quality. How does method development improve product quality? It's simple. When a process is standardized and made easier, there's less room for error. A well-designed method is repeatable and consistent. If an operator is struggling with a difficult or awkward movement, the quality of their stitching might suffer. By simplifying that movement, we make it easier for them to produce high-quality work consistently. We can also build quality checks directly into the process, catching potential defects early before they become big problems. Better methods lead to fewer mistakes, less rework, and a higher quality final product, which means happier customers and a stronger brand reputation. To sum it all up, method development is a powerful engineering part for growth in the garment industry. It's a systematic way to reduce cycle time, boost productivity, make the most of your workers' skills, and significantly enhance product quality. It's a win-win-win situation. The company becomes more profitable, the employees have an easier and more rewarding job, and the customer gets a better product. It's the backbone of a modern, efficient, and successful manufacturing operation. I hope this overview has given you a clear understanding of why method development is so vital. It's not just a technical process, it's a mindset of continuous improvement that can completely transform a factory. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of apparel manufacturing. Have any questions or want to share your own experiences with method development? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.